everybody, it's Sarah, and I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel because I hit the first goal of 1,000 subscribers here, and it's all thanks to you guys. So I just wanted to say thank you so much. And I thought that I would share with you some of my favorite crochet hacks, some of the things I use daily, and the one crochet hack that I absolutely refuse to use. I also had an idea of doing a Q&A. So go ahead and drop your questions in the comments and I would be more than happy to make a video answering any like crochet or crochet business or crochet YouTube channel, whatever, any like questions you have about my process. Go ahead and drop them in the comments and I would be more than happy to make another video answering all of your guys' questions. So let's get into what I use on the daily. So first, I just want to say I use these. This is a grip, and I have another one right here. It is not around any hook. These are the two I haven't hooked up to anything yet. And they are kind of like you can squish them in. They're kind of hard, but they are like kind of squishy. So this has saved my hands. And I'll tell you, like I literally just crocheted around. I'm working on for like a hat video, and I didn't have a gripper for like my 5 millimeter hook, and I was using it, and while it is easy to just like twist the hook super easy, I find using these so much better for my wrists, because if you are a constant crocheter like I am, my wrists hurt all the time. It hurts to like grip things and stuff. So I have these around my most three common used hooks. I do notice that they can get kind of grimy sometimes. So I'm not exactly sure how you're supposed to clean these, but over time they get kind of dirty. So if you have an idea on how I should clean these, or I've seen people use ones that are like made of like clay or porcelain, so that might be a good idea too. Probably way easier to clean. I'm just not sure how comfortable it would be. But this is probably up there like my number one, because this is I don't crochet without these. So this has to be my number one. Okay, I would say my number two most important hack I use are these. These are Amigurumi sticks, and I just made a video about these not too long ago where I showed you exactly how to use them. I used this teddy bear right here, and it is complete. It is done. In case you haven't had a chance to see it, this is the complete. This is the complete teddy bear and a cupcake with a little cherry on top. And I would use these sticks right here to shove them in, and I can do it, it doesn't matter, into here to make sure that I am putting these on the right way. And they have these little balls that you can put on the end of them to make sure that, they don't move or anything. And this has been a lifesaver for me because I never did any like sewing crochet patterns. I hated them. I always did the no sew crochet patterns because I was always so worried I was gonna put it on all wonky and it's never gonna come out right. So if you're a person that gravitates towards those no sew crochet patterns, definitely go check out some of these. The shop that I did get them out of on Etsy is a little bit sold out, but she's an amazing person. So I would definitely go check that one out. I'm still gonna put the shop to her, or the link to her shop, in the description box below. So I would definitely go check this one out. Okay, the next best like hack I have used, and I've used this quite a bit, especially when I'm working with the dark yarn. I bought this off of Amazon. It is a neck light. See? And they have three different modes, and they can bend. You can do them up, you can do them down. I mean, when you're sitting here crocheting and it's so hard to see some of those dark stitches. So I would definitely go check this out. These are like neck, you can call them like neck book lights, I guess. But these, I'm not even sure if I got this on Amazon or at Walmart. They're everywhere. So definitely go get one of these if you work with dark yarn or you have trouble seeing those stitches, you need more light, you're never having enough light. These right here, this is the way to go, I'm telling you. Okay, if I'm ever crocheting on the go, I used to just use a little tote bag, and I would just keep like a Ziploc bag, or if you're a crocheter, you usually have one of those zip up pouches with all your hooks and everything. I don't have to worry about any of that anymore. Okay. I got this. This was a Christmas present, and this is a crochet bag, and I love it. It unzips right here, and you put all your yarn, and look at this. It has all these different openings. There's yarn in there, like all these different openings for your stuff. I would keep like my book back here with my patterns and stuff in there, and then all my different yarns. And you can just poke the hole up through one of these, or poke the strings like up through the hole, close it up, and then you're working. You don't have to, it's just, it feeds right through the hole. It's great. And then, like, say you're trying to go and you're not done with your project, in the lid right here, it just opens up. You could just shove it right back in and tuck it in. It's perfect. It also has this pocket right here. This is where I keep all my darning needles and my stitch markers. It also expands. I know I'm like all over the place right now, but this, it also expands. Let me see. So it can come, it can be longer. Let me get this out. Come on, there we go. And then it could be longer. And I love it. I really do love this thing. It comes with a big strap and it's got all these pockets on the outside. It's got like all the pockets for the hooks, the pockets all around. I love this thing. It's the best present I have gotten in a while that was with my crochet things. Honestly, I think I got this last Christmas, and the other best present that I've ever gotten for my crochet, I'm about to show you guys. It was made by my sister. So this is a bowl my sister made me, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I will provide the link to her Instagram into the description box. She's an amazing artist. Art definitely runs in our family, and she does primarily painting and clay and her own art. She's just an amazing artist. But this is like a bowl holder, and it comes with this little spiral right here so that when I'm working, the yarn just spins around. And I use this primarily in my office when I'm working with the balls because it's so much easier on my desk. And they just roll around in the bowl and it's gorgeous. And she even made this little like pocket right here. My little scissors and my hooks fit perfectly in there. And I just love it. I remember she said that this was it cracked or something. So she just fixed it and she did it with gold. And I love this. It is absolutely gorgeous. She did an amazing job. Definitely go check her out. Okay, and actually there's two tools that I've never really gotten the hang of. This being one of the first ones. Do not waste your money on one of these. These suck. Okay, this sucks. The only one I have ever actually used is the little attachment right here that goes onto there. And I've used that for the itty bitty little ones because that's the only one it works for. And if you make bigger things like this chicken or let's see, this cat right here, it doesn't work for those eyes. Okay. It only works for like the 10 millimeter eyes or smaller, like 8. And honestly, I feel like it was a big waste of money. It's frustrating. And take it from me, don't buy it. And the last thing I will never use as a crocheter is one of these rings. This is like a yarn threading ring that people swear is to help you control your tension. I have never understood how to use these, and I've looked it up. I've watched videos because I'm a YouTube girl. Okay, I will watch YouTubes to learn how to do something. Always, that's why we're here, right? But I don't get it. I've looked it up, and I don't know if I'm just doing it wrong. I cannot get the hang of one of these. So honestly, I would say don't buy these either. But that's just me. And this is what they look like, and they go around your finger, and you're supposed to wrap the yarn. I don't even know. I don't even know how. So no, this is garbage. I don't use it. Yeah, that's basically it. But I do want to remind you guys, definitely drop your questions in the comments because I would love to interact with you guys and know what you guys want to know about these things. And let's get to know each other. And I want to help you guys grow in your crochet business. I'm here. My whole purpose of being on YouTube is to share my crochet knowledge with you guys because I've learned a lot from YouTube. And I love learning with people. And you guys have taught me stuff in the comments that I didn't even know. I just learned that not everybody knew about these, which is amazing. Some of you guys think it's ridiculous, they're knitting needles with beads on the end, but a lot of you guys had no idea, just like me, that these even existed. And I just wanted to say thank you to all my viewers who watched this video because you guys made the shop sell out, which is amazing. I was never even expecting that. So shout out to all you because that's awesome. So, and she wasn't expecting that either. So that's just amazing. And I'm so glad that you guys enjoyed things like this. So definitely drop your questions in the comments and I will see you guys next time. Bye.